Elephants, Earth's largest land mammals, are renowned for their extraordinary size, strength, and intelligence. As herbivores, they consume a variety of plants and vegetation. These gentle giants are highly social, forming tight-knit family groups and displaying complex communication and emotional bonds. Their remarkable memory and problem-solving abilities highlight their advanced cognitive skills. Unfortunately, elephants face severe threats, including habitat loss and the illegal ivory trade, resulting in declining populations. Conservation efforts are vital to safeguard these magnificent creatures and maintain the ecological balance of the habitats they call home.